Well, as I said a little earlier on, honoured, humbled, but also quite excited because it's an opportunity to celebrate so much achievement on behalf of so many people today. Well, what an impressive bunch, what massive talent. I would give them advice that they use that opportunity that will come their way to use the talent that they clearly have, not just to further their own lives, but for the benefit of others. So much exciting potential sat in front of us in that hall today, and all too easily, with the disappointments that life can bring, they could feel a little bit downhearted if things don't quite go the way they want to. But remain strong, remain committed to serving the needs of others, bringing some colour, some joy, some flourishing into the lives of others. And I could ask no more of them than that.